So this is. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox another toy gun. It's a pistol, and it's a special one. My favorite one. Well, it's a Desert Eagle. You know, the bigger in size and performance among all the pistols. So this is the box bag. It's a hard plastic case. It's a nice thing. So let's open it up, but before that I'm gonna tell you the price. This cost me around 1400 only on Amazon, and I'm gonna give you the link below in the description. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. It's very good gun for kids, and for also adults can play with this with the kids. So that's it. Let's open it up. There it is. I see some crystal bullets here in the packet. It's in size 7mm, and here you get more bullets. You need to put this in the water for a few hours, and it will get back to a size like this. So what else we get a jar for the bullets, and this is a side, but it's going to be used for the bullets here. It's going to stay at the top. You need to put the bullets in here, and the bullets will go from this hole to this gun. Well, and this is the battery. It's a 6V 500 mAh NACD battery, and here you get a silencer, and this is the charger. 5V 2A input, and output is 6V to 50 milliampere. So that's it. You can connect it with anything, your laptop, a mobile charger, anything. Now this is the gun. Wow, it looks very nice and feel very good in hand, exactly like the real in size. So that's it, and at the bottom there is a button here to turn it on and off, and here is the button. This is the button for this flashlight here. Well, this is a fixed attachment. You cannot move because this is the place for the battery, because I didn't get the other place for that. Probably the motor would be here, so there is no space here for the battery. So this is the attachment. It's going to work as a battery compartment. So this is the connection, and you need to connect the battery here, and then put the socket inside, and then slowly slide this in. That's it. Now it's ready. Let's turn this on or off, I don't know. Okay, this side is on. Okay, it's written here. Here is the off, and on this side on. So now it's on. So this is a fully automatic, and this is the silencer attachment. And now connect this attachment at the top. So that's it. I just need to slide that in, and it's done. Okay, now let's try some BB bullets. plastic bullets. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so the 6mm BB bullets work, but the same thing again, there is no pressure, no power, and it won't go long, as I can see, because it's made for the gel bullets. So I have some gel bullets ready here, and let's put that in and let's see how it works. Alright, so these gel bullets work pretty good and powerful enough. So that's it, and now let's do some shooting.